Friends, let us learn some algebraic identities. So these identities you already know. First identity, x plus y whole square is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square. Second identity, x minus y whole square is equal to x square minus 2xy plus y square. Third identity, x square minus y square is equal to x plus y whole into x minus y. Then fourth identity, x plus a whole into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b whole into x plus ab. So these identities you already learned before, and how to derive these identities also you know. So let us solve some problems by using these identities. Example, find the following product using identity. So first question is x plus 3 whole into x plus 3. Here this is a binomial multiplied with a binomial. We need not to be multiplied. We will use the identity x plus y whole square. We know x plus y whole square is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square. So this becomes x square plus 2xy. So 2 multiplied with x multiplied with 3 plus 3 square. So this is equal to x square plus 6x plus 9. Then this is the answer of bit 1. Then what is bit 2? X minus 3 whole into x plus 5. So this multiplication is based on the identity x plus a whole into x plus b. So here a is equal to minus 3 and b is equal to 5. So we know x plus a whole into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b whole into x plus ab. So now you put the values x plus a multiplied with x plus b. This is equal to x square plus minus 3 plus 5 into x plus minus 3 multiplied with 5. So answer is x square plus 2x minus 50. So this is the answer. Next example, evaluate 105 into 106 without multiplying it directly. So we will use identity here. So 105 multiplied with 106 we can write as 100 plus 5 multiplied with 100 plus 6. So this is in the form of x plus a into x plus b. So what is x plus a multiplied with x plus b? X square. That means here 100 square plus a plus b whole into x. 5 plus 6 multiplied with 100 plus ab. 5 multiplied with 6. So this is equal to, this is 10,000 plus this is 1100 plus 30. So our answer is this is the answer. Next example, factorize. First 49a square plus 70ab plus 25b square. So 49a square plus 70ab plus 25b square. So look at the expression. It is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we have to apply that identity a plus b whole square. So this is equal to 7a whole square plus this is 2 multiplied with 7a multiplied with 5b plus 5b whole square. So this is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this is equal to 7a plus 5b whole square. Or we can write 7a plus 5b multiplied with 7a plus 5b. These are the two factors. Then bit 2. 25 by 4 x square minus y square by 9. We can write it as this is the square of 5 by 2x whole square minus y by 3 whole square. So this is in the form of a square minus b square. So this is equal to a plus b whole into a minus b. So 5 by 2x plus y by 3 whole into 5 by 2x minus y by 3. Let us find x plus y plus z whole square. So this is a trinomial. So far as we learned the identity about binomials. So here x plus y plus z is a trinomial. So we have to find the square of this trinomial. So let y plus z is equal to p. So x plus y plus z whole square becomes x plus p whole square. So we know what is x plus y whole square. So we can write it as x square plus 2xp plus p square. Then we put the value of p here. So this is equal to x square plus 2 whole into 2x whole into what is p here? Y plus z plus y plus z whole square. So this is equal to x square plus 2xy plus 2xz plus y square plus z square plus 2yz. So if we will arrange this in order, so x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. So this is our fifth identity. X plus y plus z whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. So by using this identity, now we will solve some problems. So here an example, write 3a plus 4b plus 5c in expanded form. We know x plus y plus z whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. So here our x is equal to 3a, y is equal to 4b and z is equal to 5c. So 3a plus 4b plus 5c whole square is equal to x square. 3a square plus y square means 4b whole square plus 5c whole square plus 2xy. 2 multiplied with 3a multiplied with 4b plus 2yz. 2 multiplied with 4b multiplied with 5c plus 2zx. 2 multiplied with 5c multiplied with 3a. So this is 9a square plus 16b square plus 25c square plus 24ab plus this is 2 multiplied 4 8 40 bc plus 30ca. So this is the expanded form of 3a plus 4b plus 5c whole square. Next example, write 4a minus 2b minus 3c whole square in expanded form. So here x is equal to 4a, y is equal to minus 2b and z is equal to minus 3c. Then we have to put these values in our fifth identity. So what is 4a minus 2b minus 3c whole square is equal to x square. 4a whole square plus y square minus 2b whole square plus z square minus 3c whole square plus 2xy. 2 multiplied with 4a multiplied with minus 2b plus 2yz. 2 multiplied with minus 2b multiplied with minus 3c plus 2zx 2 multiplied with 3c multiplied with 4a. So this is equal to 16a square plus 4b square plus 9c square. This becomes 2 into 4 8 minus 16 ab. Then 2 2 minus 2 and minus 3. 2 to 4 then 12 plus 12 bc minus 6 into 4 24 ca. So this is the expanded form of 4a minus 2b minus 3c whole square. Next example, factorize 4x square plus y square plus z square minus 4xy minus 2yz plus 4xz. So this is in the form of the identity x plus y plus z whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. So here these two terms are negative. So here it concludes that either this is xy and yz, y is common. So either y term is negative or x and z term are negative. Whatever you may take, so first let the y term is negative. So this expression becomes 2x whole square plus minus y whole square plus z whole square plus 2 multiplied with 2x multiplied with minus y. Then plus 2yz. So 2 multiplied with minus y multiplied with z plus 2zx. 2 multiplied with z multiplied with 2x. So this becomes 2x minus y plus z whole square. So if we will take x and z terms are negative, so this is equal to minus 2x plus y minus z whole square. So this can be verified in these two ways.